It would be hard to start with something other than Canada geese in a survey of winter birds. They are more visible more of the time than anything else. Despite being in 95 shadow, the geese still like to eat, and the snow seems to have greened it up a bit. Great blue heron that's been hanging around is very skittish. What it also seems to have is several trees that it likes to land in. Having seen where it landed a few times, I've been able to follow its flight with the camera. So far, the highlight of the winter birding season has been the male hooded merganser that has been hanging around the pond for several weeks. I've never seen one before in this pond. I probably have seen him before, but didn't remember. Didn't have it noted in my bird book. And this has been a great opportunity to study these guys. And with the ice edge varying, you've got pictures of them at varying distances, and some of them have come out very clear. So I have really been enjoying getting some video of the hooded merganser. Many of the birds that use this pond seem to find that one of the best hiding spots around is under the bushes that he's about to enter. Include these mallard shots, which aren't very good because there were about 100 mallards on the pond, and in several abrupt waves over the space of about a minute and a half, they all took off. This will probably be the best close-up I ever get of something like a duck taking off right at the camera. This mockingbird hung out in this little patch of shrubs for, I saw it about 4 or 5 days in a row. It seemed that there's some red berries in there. You can kind of get a glimpse of them there. But what was going on was for several days, that mockingbird was chasing this blue jay around. Hard as hell to get pictures of things when they're moving that fast. But every time I'd come back, the mockingbird would be there, and if the blue jay came by, it would chase. And then it would chase, and then it would chase. It was a lot of fun.